Friends, I hope you are doing well. Long time I didn't post any videos on about Bitcoin analysis. So today I was in a good mood, so I decided to analyze the Bitcoin in depth. So today you are going to see, or I'm going to answer many questions because a lot of my friends are asking me where the price is going. It's going up or it's going down. So I'm going to answer all your questions today. First question we're going to ask is, are we in uptrend or a downtrend? Is the uptrend is over or not? The second question is the risks associated with the current price movement, and the last thing is what are the possible scenarios for uptrend or downtrend, and what are the key levels to watch. So let's jump into the first question. So are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? So basically on the daily chart or daily time frame, we can see that the price is actually ranging between this level, which is around 42,500, okay, and this level, which is 29,950, okay. So the price is ranging between every candlestick, every bar here represents 1 day. So it's 1 day down, 1 day up, and ranging between this in this area between 42,500 and 22,950, 29,950. Okay, so basically these three orange lines, if we are in the lower section, it's a downtrend. If we are in the upper section, it's an uptrend. Okay, and if we are ranging around the midline, like this current situation, we are ranging around the midline, which means that we are in a ranging market. Okay, so we have been in this range for a very long time, and where the price might go from this area. So on the weekly, we are on the lower lower part of this three lines, or it's a Bollinger Band actually. If you, I don't want to mention too many technical terms. So let's say it's in the lower band or the lower section, so it's a downtrend on the weekly basis. But on the monthly, okay, time frame, it's still in the upper section. Okay, so which means that the Bitcoin rally is not over, and we are still in the uptrend. Okay, so that is what that should answer the first question. Is the uptrend is over? No, it's not yet. There is still a possibility that the price will go up again and continue rallying from this point. Okay, so the second question is, what are the risks associated with the current price movement? Well, we have all seen this recent drop in the price from the 58,000 down to the 29,950. Mostly Elon Musk are blamed for it, but I was actually expecting this anyway. It's a normal market correction. Okay, so but the drop was a little bit too sharp. So if we analyze this drop, okay, we will see that this Fibonacci, okay, I don't want to again get into too many technicals, but from this Fibonacci works like that. The price goes all the way down, and then it goes to a very key level here called 61.8. Okay, so if you find a lot of selling at the 61.8, it means that there are people hoping that the price or shorting Bitcoin, and they're expecting the price to move to break this the lowest point over here and go even lower. Okay, and it's already happening twice. One time here, the price has been pushed down, and again the price went up to 61.8, and the price pushed down one more time. Okay, so yeah, they are hoping that they can get to break this low point, and the price should, in a normal Fibonacci, the price should go to 161.8, which is at 13,000. The Bitcoin price will be at 13,000, which is technically okay to think this way, but fundamentally, no, it's not gonna happen. It's a very, very unlikely scenario. This is like a Bitcoin crash scenario. That's why it's so unlikely. So and fundamentals always wins. So fundamental always wins. So that is simply the risks associated with the current situation, that the price wasn't able to break above this level yet. Still, there are some sellers here shorting Bitcoin. That is posing some kind of risk. Okay, so is there a hope or signs of recovery and going back to rallying all the way up to 60,000 and even higher? Yes, there is a possibility, and we will see it here. If we see here in the weekly, we have this very strong buying zone where the buyers they find the Bitcoin price here is very attractive, so they buy in quantities, and it happened twice that the price jumped from this area to the 42,000. Okay, and the second time it jumped to 58. So it proves that this is a very strong area, buying area. Okay, and if you look here, when the price dropped, it dropped even a little bit higher than this area. So this area is at 28. So the price stopped dropping at 30,000. It means the buyers has raised their or increased their buying zone a little bit higher. Okay, and if you see also in this week and this week, the price didn't drop or come any closer to this 30,000. Means the buyers are now buying from not from 30,000, they are buying now from this level, which is at 31,100. 31,100. Okay. A very, very critical scenario in these days that's now developing, because we have we don't only have to break this 61 level. Okay, there is a very, very important level here. Sorry, I'll go back. Yeah, that level over here is a little bit higher than the 61.8, which is at 42. This is actually where the white line here, where the price should break, not the 61.8. So we can say we are in an uptrend. So we have to go to 42,000 in order to for this to happen. So basically, we were going there. Okay, the price were moving all the way up and came here and stopped. Okay, so does it mean that it will fall all the way down back? Not sure, but there is another key level to watch. Here is 34,615. 34,615. This level pushed the price all the way up here. Okay, so if the price to continue going up or to try again and break this 61.8 level or the 42,007 level, then it shouldn't drop below 34,600. Okay, so today it is still above 34,600, which is okay. Maybe tomorrow it will go up, So tomorrow, if we close, we have a green bar like this that closes above this moving average. This moving average is around, or this midline here is at 36,500 or 36,900. So if the price today or tomorrow jumps above 36,900 here, okay, what happened here? 36,900. Okay, if it jumps above 36,900, then there is a possibility that we go, at least the next stop will be above 42,000. Okay, if we fail to go to 42,000, then the same scenario, we are still in a ranging market, so still the same scenario is happening. If we go below 34,600, then this is, I guess, it will take longer for the price to recover, or there is a possibility that it will break below this point, the lowest point here. Okay, but my expectation is it's not going to break so far. It's just going to, maybe the buyers are a little bit greedy. They are not buying from 30,000. They want to buy from a lower price. So they are going to buy from, let's say, 29. So what's going to happen is the price is going to fall. They will let the price fall. They're not going to buy from here. And from 29, they will start buying. So the price will sharply rise again into the same zone, and then slowly develop the scenario of breaking the 42,000, and then we will go up. So the first reason why I don't think that we have that the price will break below this point is, first of all, we have this buyer's zone over here at 28,000. Okay. Second of all, the monthly is still in the uptrend, and here is actually where the price starts rising again from the moving average, from the midline here starts to rise again. Okay, so it's about time, maybe next month or so. The third reason, which is actually fundamental, okay, and it's related to Bitcoin fundamentals. So basically, if the price breaks below that 100, the lowest point, and is going to drop because it's going to be an open season. It's like technically it can go all the way down to 13,000. Okay, but fundamentally it's not gonna happen because simply because when you cut the supply, what the thing that triggered this rally is cutting the supply by half. Okay, so basically, if we go here to the monthly chart, okay, if the price in the past years was below 20,000, okay, and then you cut the supply, okay, by half, and then the Bitcoin rises above the 20,000, okay, which means the demand has increased for the Bitcoin. So dropping to 20,000 again, it means that there is something wrong, because you cannot cut the supply by half and stay in the same price range. Okay, it's fundamentally it's not possible. It means something wrong, like something fundamentally wrong with this, with the Bitcoin economics or whatever it's happening out there. So so that's why, and Bitcoin actually has broke above 20,000 without any Elon Musk tweets. So so I wouldn't actually blame anyone on the price movement, like up or down. It's just a normal market. There are buying zones and there are selling zones, and there is always people who are betting on the price to go lower, and there are people who are betting on the price to go higher. And you have to watch carefully the news that around Bitcoin to see how healthy is the Bitcoin ecosystem, and because that's what keeps the price on rising, and maybe we will see another 5x or 10x like 2017. So the price may actually go higher than 64,000 by the end of the year. God only knows how far it can go. There are many factors. There is hype, there is FOMO, fear of missing out. There are a lot of things that push the price higher. So we cannot say exactly how far it can go, but it will go quite far if it breaks the 64,000 level. So that's all. I hope I answered all your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. You are always welcome to send it to me by WhatsApp or leave a comment under the video. Thank you very much and have a great day.